You meet a new friend, maybe online or at a coffee shop, and they ask you, "So, how was your week?" And your mind just goes blank. You know what you did. You went to work, you watched a movie, you felt exhausted by Friday, but you can't find the simple English words to explain it. It's frustrating and honestly a little embarrassing. Don't worry, this is a super common problem for English beginners. By the end of this video, you'll have the exact phrases and the simple structure you need to answer that question with confidence. Let's get started. First, let's master the days of the week. Listen and repeat after me. Monday, Monday. Next is Tuesday, Tuesday. Be careful, it sounds like the number 2. Now the tricky one, Wednesday. Look at the spelling, Wednesday, but we don't say Wednesday, we say Wednesday. The D is silent, Wednesday. Next, Thursday. Focus on the th sound, Thursday. Then the veste, Friday. Friday. Now the weekend, Saturday. Saturday. And finally, Sunday. Sunday. Great work. Section 2. Common activities. Verbs. Now let's learn some action words. Listen and repeat. Work. I work at an office. Study. I study English. Go. I go to the gym. Watch. I watch movies. Play. I play football. Relax. I relax on Sunday. Section 3. Putting it together. Prepositions. How do we connect the activity to the day? We use the magic word on. Structure. I activity on day. Repeat after me. I work on Monday. I study on Tuesday. If you do it every week, add an S to the day. I go to the gym on Wednesdays. I watch movies on Fridays. For the weekend, we also use on. I relax on the weekend. And for a range of days, use from to. I work from Monday to Friday. Section 4. Listening practice. Alex and Ben. Now let's listen to a conversation between two friends, Alex and Ben. Just listen.
Hi, Ben. How are you? Hey, Alex. I'm good, thanks. A little tired. It was a long week. Oh, really? How was your week? Was it busy? Yeah, this week was really busy. I had to work late from Monday to Thursday. I felt very tired on Friday morning. I know that feeling. Did you do anything to relax on the weekend? Yes, definitely. On Saturday, I slept late. In the afternoon, I went to the park and read a book. It was very peaceful. That sounds lovely. What about Sunday? On Sunday, I met some friends for lunch. We went to a new pizza restaurant. Then, in the evening, I just watched a movie at home. What about you? How was your week? My week was okay. It wasn't too busy. I had my English class on Monday and Wednesday evenings. The best part of my week was on Thursday. I went to a concert with my sister. Oh, wow. A concert? That sounds fun. Who did you see? We saw a small local band. They were amazing. Then on Friday, I just cooked dinner and relaxed at home. It sounds like you had a good week. Are you doing anything fun this weekend? I think so. On Saturday, I am going to visit my parents. On Sunday, I might go shopping. What are your plans? I don't have big plans. I will probably play football with my friends on Saturday morning. Then for the rest of the weekend, I plan to just take it easy. A relaxing weekend sounds perfect. Have a good one, Ben. You too, Alex. Talk to you later.
Section 5. Key phrases. Did you hear the key phrases? Let's practice them. Repeat after me. How was your week? This week was really busy. The best part of my week was on Thursday. On Saturday, I slept late. And for future plans, I am going to visit my parents. I might go shopping. Section 6. Role play. Interactive. Now it's your turn to speak. We will do the conversation again. I will read Alex and you will read Ben. Ready? Hi, Ben. How are you? Oh, really? How was your week? Was it busy? I know that feeling. Did you do anything to relax on the weekend? That sounds lovely. What about Sunday? My week was okay. It wasn't too busy. I had my English class on Monday and Wednesday evenings. The best part of my week was on Thursday. I went to a concert with my sister. We saw a small local band. They were amazing. Then on Friday, I just cooked dinner and relaxed at home. I think so. On Saturday, I am going to visit my parents. On Sunday, I might go shopping. I'm not sure yet. What are your plans? A relaxing weekend sounds perfect after a busy week. Well, have a good one, Ben. Excellent work. Conclusion. You did great today. Now you have the tools to answer the question, how was your week? Homework. Go to the comments and write one thing you did last week using on, day, I, activity. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing and see you in the next lesson.